Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Standard 5. Today we are going to study the first lesson of Gulmohar, Chapter 1, The Invention of Shoes. Do you know who invented shoes? The answer is Jan Ernest Metzelger. You can see his picture in this slide. There are many kinds of shoes available in the market. We wear different kinds of shoes for different occasions. All of us are fascinated by different kinds of inanimate objects. For example, some of us are fascinated by video games, some by watches, and some by shoes, and so on. So, today we are going to study the story behind the invention of shoes. This story has been adapted from Juta Avishkar, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Before we begin with the lesson, let us know a little bit about the author. This story has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. You can see his pictures in his different stages of life in this slide, that is, as a child, as an adult, and in his old age. Rabindranath Tagore was a renowned Indian poet, educator, painter, and social reformer. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his beautiful collection of verses, Gitanjali. He had a deep interest in children and wrote many poems about them. This picture is an illustration from the original work Juta Avishkar. The main characters in the lesson are King Hobu, his minister Gobu Rai, and the chief tanner. Now pay attention to the pronunciation of words as I read this page. Once upon a time, there was a king called Hobu. One morning, he summoned his minister and said, "Listen, Gobu Rai, I stayed up all night thinking, why should the dust dirty my royal feet whenever I step on the ground? All you people, you are only concerned with pocketing your fat salaries. You have no concern for the king or the kingdom or the problems that bother me. You must put an end to this at once, or else no one shall be spared from my royal wrath." Gobu Rai wondered and worried. He pondered and perspired. The Pandits' faces turned pale. The courtiers' nights turned sleepless. In the kitchen, the cooking stopped. In the castle, the crying started. Gobu Rai looked far and wide and gathered all the scientists and learned men, all the scholars and mechanics he could find. They pushed their glasses up their noses and sat down to find a solution to the royal problem. After thinking long and deep, they said, "If you do away with the soil, how will you grow crops?" The king replied, "If you cannot figure out how, then of what use are you?" Now let me explain what I read just now. This is a story about a king called Hobu who wanted his feet to be dirt free. So one day he called his minister Gobu Rai and shared his misery and asked him to find a solution for the same. Gobu Rai became tensed and so did the others, which included the Pandits, the courtiers, etc. Then Gobu Rai called all the scientists, scholars, and mechanics to find a solution to the king's problem. After thinking for a long time, they said, "If they got rid of all the soil, then how will the crops grow?" So the king called them useless as they could not solve the problem. The new words which we learn today are summoned, wrath, pondered, perspired, and do away with. So that's all for today, children. Just go through what has been taught today and memorize the word meanings. Happy learning and stay safe.